this video applies to multiple vehicles, and particularly this is Chevy Tahoe, Suburban, you name it, all the GM also applies for different cars. The issue we're having in this car, when you open the passenger door, this light doesn't turn on. The interior light, none of them turn on. Okay, so when you open the driver's side door, all right, this light turns on, as you can see. As soon as I open it, it turns on. So if I open the, so now it should turn off slightly. Now it's going off. The issue I have with the passenger door, I'm gonna tell you what the problem is. I'm not gonna go through the steps of how to remove the door panel, but because I did another video, prior video about the driver's side door, the issue when the accessories will not turn off when you open the door. So now the light is off. So let me go to the other side and try to open the. Let me station my camera 1 second, please. All right, let me do this from the outside. Well, I'm just gonna wait until the light turns off inside the vehicle, because I did again open the driver's side door. As you can see, all the lights are on. This is on here. It starts to turn off, slowly turning off. Okay, they're completely off. So as you can see, if I open the passenger door, the light doesn't turn on. Okay, the door is open and the passenger light, the interior light, they're not on. So the issue is very much the door actuator for the passenger side. So I'm gonna change this, and that should fix the issue. Okay, this is works different than the driver's side door, has different feature, less feature than the driver's side door, but this should tell the body control module to turn the light on, and when the door is closed, it should turn them off. So if I open the back door, as you can see, it turns on. Okay, so I'm gonna change the door actuator and come back. It's interior lights off and the passenger door closed, so I'm gonna open the passenger door, and you see the light went on again. That's good. Back lights on. So close the door and wait a few seconds. This should turn off. Okay, the light is off. Okay, let's open this again, the passenger front door. Okay, lights on. So this is the problem, the door actuator. Problem is fixed. Thank you for watching.